In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change ship location in Banggood. First, open your preferred web browser like Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari and go to banggood.com. Give the page a second to load completely so all the navigation elements appear. A stable internet connection helps here because the location setting triggers a quick refresh once you apply it. Next, look to the top right corner of the Banggood homepage. You should see a small country flag, a country name, or a label that says Ship To. On some layouts, especially on smaller screens, you might need to tap the menu icon or scroll to the header area to spot it. If you're browsing on mobile, it can also appear at the very top or bottom of the page. The key is to find the place where Banggood shows your current country and currency. Click the country flag or the Ship To label. A window will pop up that lets you change your country or region, and usually your currency as well. This setting is important because Banggood uses it to show items that can be shipped to your location, to calculate available shipping methods and estimated delivery times, and to display prices in a way that's most relevant to you. Now choose the country or region where you want your order delivered. Pick the exact destination to make sure you see accurate stock, shipping fees, and delivery timelines. If you'd like, you can also select a preferred currency. This only changes how prices are displayed on the site. Your bank or payment provider may still process the transaction in a different currency, which could include conversion fees. When you're happy with your selections, click Save or Confirm. The page will automatically refresh. After it reloads, you'll notice that prices may convert to your chosen currency, and product availability and shipping options will update to match your selected location. If you already had items in your cart, it's a good idea to check them again. Sometimes a product's shipping method or delivery estimate changes based on the new region, and in rare cases, an item may no longer be available to ship to that destination. If the location window doesn't appear when you click, refresh the page and try again. You can also ensure cookies are enabled so your preference is saved. Once set, your ship to choice will usually stick for future visits, and that's it. Open Banggood, find the Ship To option at the top right, click it, choose your country or region, optionally set your currency, and save. You're now ready to browse with accurate prices and shipping info for your location.